my plan was, that's like a jingly bell, and that's like a hoop thing that keeps that like that, and then we pull the rope, and it rings, because it goes up like that.
Mm-hmm.
But I decided that will not work, because it's not loud enough for you.
For who?
For you.
Who's you?
Gramma.
Yes. So then we ended up with
This. Step 1, go in to the store. Step 2, go to the doorbell section and choose it. Step 3, put the doorbell on the conveyor belt to the chop lady. Step 4, put it on the door. Step 5, ring, 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 ring.
ring the doorbell to Grandma's apartment, right?
Yep.
All right, there you go.
Mm-hmm.